we as students, even though we have a lot of the ideas, we don't have the space or the opportunity to sort of get it out in the open, and it's a great setting in which we can release our ideas, and students actually have a lot of good ideas, and maybe Sophia can be one of the first universities to actually allow the students to implement those big changes. I think it's especially sort of relevant to us within the context of sustainability and environmental issues.
This has been like a pretty eye-opening experience in the fact that we thought of like a lot of ideas just like in that 5 minutes of brainstorming.